there, Crunchified clean friend. Yes, you're my friend. Even if I don't know you, you know what connects us? We're all human. And we all live on this beautiful planet. And this is why I'm passionate about taking care of our planet for our future, for my kids' future, for our future, for our health, for my kids' health. That's the reason why I made a cleaning business that focuses on all natural, eco-friendly cleaning and disinfecting. I own the Poconos' first and only award-winning green certified cleaning business, and I'm very proud of it. And I love to share tips and tricks on how to keep your home or office clean and disinfected without the harsh toxic chemicals. I also like to share cleaning product recalls, vacuum recalls, laundry detergent recalls, things that may affect us in our home or our office. I also love to share organizing tips and tricks and recipes and fun stuff and eco-friendly and nature. So if that is your jam, then follow along, because I would love to have you here. I would love to learn from you. I would love for you to learn from me. I also offer cleaning consulting if you're looking at opening a cleaning business or running a cleaning business. And I have a cleaning business tips Facebook group. Comment down below if you want to know how to join that group if you're a professional cleaner. If you love everything cleaning and organizing, this is your channel. And I am super appreciative of you being here. I am very happy for you to check out my stuff. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to ask them. And I have an Amazon shop where when you buy from any of my links, I can earn commission. So that will help me greatly as a mom and human being who's just trying to pay some bills. And I like to share product reviews of cleaning products or organizing products, what I think about them, how to use them, just lots of great information. So follow along on my YouTube channel, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy, on TikTok, on Instagram, on Clapper, on my website, and on Facebook, Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. Share, interact, let's make it a beautiful, crunchified, clean planet, not just for us, but for the future generations. Thanks for following and checking out my video. Peace.